Hello, everybody, and welcome to this enhancement video of the drug and alcohol testing software system from Tatsoth Labs. What I wanted to go over today is this new window, the Security Maintenance Manager. You get to this from the logon window, and you click the Security Maintenance button on the logon window, and it'll bring you to this window. And once you log in, before you log in, none of these buttons are enabled, but after you log in, everything is enabled. And from this window, you can add new users, you can delete users, and you can change your own username and password. So you notice that Susan B logged in, and here's her username and her password. Um, Adding a user, you just simply put the name in here. Well, I'll just go ahead and show one. We'll say, I don't know, I'll make something up here. Robert J for the username. The passwords, as you can see here, we require have to be at least 8 characters long, at least one upper and one lowercase letter, at least one number, and at least one special character. Now, HIPAA doesn't require that, but we think that, in order to protect your data, we want to make the password strong. So again, you have to follow these guidelines right here. 8 characters, one upper and lowercase, at least one number, and at least one special character. So let's just make something up here for Robert J. RJ 3, 4. I'm going to do a special characters here. Z. You can make them as long as you want. They just have to be at least 8. So we're going to put a password in like that. And we also have key phrase password retrieval. So while you're making a password, you simply click this question here, and you can choose whatever one of these questions you want. Um, I'll go ahead and pick mother's maiden name, and we'll just put in Miller here. And I just really did not want to spell it that way. And now I can save that user. So we've just created a user called Robert J. This is his password um, for the key phrase password retrieval, which people don't know what that is. If you ever forget your password, you go to the key phrase password retrieval window, and it will ask you. It'll tell you the question that you picked, mother's maiden name, and when you enter the Miller, it'll show you your password. That's in case you ever forget your password. So let's go ahead and add that user. Okay, your new user and password has been saved. It tells you what they are here, the username and the password. Make sure you remember it. Okay, and then you can go over here and you can see that he's right here, and you could delete him here if you wanted to. Okay, let's go ahead and show that too. So he's deleted now. So that's how that works. Here you would change your username or password, and it would show up here, and that is update your user. So this is a brand new window. We call it the Security Maintenance Manager window. We think it's really helpful. You can do everything here, add users, delete users, change your username and password. And also we enforce the strict guideline to protect your data right here. All right. And again, you get to this from the logon window. Okay, that'll wrap up this demo video, and thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.